Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that is leaking inside.
Water pools in the bottom of a fridge. Water drips from a water filter cover at the top of the fridge.
If your LG refrigerator is leaking water inside, we have a few troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve the issue without a technician. If your refrigerator has an 809TR or earlier serial number, the leak is likely coming from the water lines that connect to the water reservoir inside the left door. Here's what to do.
A person slides up the clear bottom door shelf.
Open the left door and remove the bottom shelf to locate the access panel. Then remove the access panel using a Phillips head screwdriver.
They unscrew the panel in the top middle and remove it.
With your right hand, pull straight out to release. The access panel will be connected at the left hinge. Gently pull to the right to remove it.
Behind the panel, a plastic water reservoir lies horizontally in the door. It is connected to tubing inside the door.
Inspect the white and blue tubing where it inserts into the fitting on either side of the reservoir.
The tubes have black rings on them near the fitting.
Only one black line marked around the tube should be visible. If you can see two lines marked on the tube, push the water line into the fitting until only one black line is partially visible. For refrigerators with other serial numbers, check if there is moisture condensation forming on the refrigerator doors. If so, this is because the doors are not sealing correctly. If your refrigerator wasn't leveled properly when it was installed, the doors will not create a proper seal.
A person uses a wrench to twist a bolt on a screw under the fridge.
Please watch our video on leveling a refrigerator linked in the description. Leaks on the inside can also be coming from the ice maker, from the ice bin, or the ice tray.
An on-off switch is in the top left corner of the freezer side door.
First check to see if the ice maker is on or off. If it has been turned off, the ice will melt, which could cause leaks. Be sure that the ice maker door is closed completely. If the door is accidentally left ajar, the cold air will escape, eventually causing the ice to melt. A broken ice tray can also cause a leak. Inspect the bottom of the tray for any cracks. Leaks can occur if the ice bin is not inserted correctly. Remove the ice bin and reinsert it fully into place. If the refrigerator water lines were not purged after a new installation or after installing a new water filter, air in the water lines can cause leaks.
A person presses the 16-ounce button on the water dispenser panel and collects the water in a large bowl.
Try flushing out the air by dispensing 2 to 3 gallons of water, then see if the leak resumes.
A water pressure gauge that goes from 0 to 4. The black arrow rests at 0. The red arrow points just past the 2, in between the light green and dark green zones.
High water pressure can cause leaking with the fill tube overshooting the ice tray, but so can low water pressure by missing the tray as the water dribbles from the fill tube.
A person twists the valve on a water pipe under a cabinet 90 degrees.
Check your home saddle valve that supplies water to your refrigerator. If the valve is open or closed all the way, you may need to contact a plumber to adjust the water pressure. A bent fill tube can also cause a leak. In this case, a repair service will be required. Go to lg.com/us/support and visit the Request a Repair page.
The page has mobile device repair on the left and appliances, TV audio video, and computers repair on the right.
Interior leaks can also come from the water filter.
An LG water filter. It is a white canister with a tapered top and a red LG logo on the wrapper.
This could be because a non-LG filter is being used, or the filter is not installed correctly. Use only genuine LG water filters, which can be purchased at lg.com/us/refrigerator filters.
A person opens the filter cover at the top of the fridge. They install the tapered end of the filter into the mount at an angle and twist it tight. They push it up.
Be sure to follow the installation instructions with the LG filter or watch our video linked in the description. Make sure the plastic cap has been removed from the filter prior to installing it.
Under the cap, the tapered end has 2 black rings around it.
Also check the O-rings at the end of the filter to see if they are stretched, cracked, or seated incorrectly. Please note that when removing the filter from the filter mount, you need to turn it counterclockwise, and when installing a new filter, you need to turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Do not pull out or push in the filter without first turning it, or the filter mount may be damaged.
The white plastic housing is cracked.
Also, check the filter housing for cracks or other damage. If the housing is damaged, the refrigerator will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons. Text: This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information and product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021. LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.